Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, Chapter 8, Defeat of Internal Enemies. The work for Swaraj was going on at great speed. The Mavlas were very loyal to Shivaji. They had decided to dedicate their life to Shivaji and were ready to do as he said. With their support, Shivaji had captured one fort after another in the Baramawal area. Now, students, as you know, that the work for Swaraj was going at a great speed. You all know that the Mavlas were with Shivaji, supporting him throughout. They were very loyal to Shivaji. They lived for Swaraj and were willing to die for it. With their support in the Baramawal area, Shivaji captured one fort after another. The Mavlas loved Shivaji more than their life. Many Deshmukhs and Deshpandes also decided to support Shivaji and joined hands with him. But there were some who were jealous and did not like that Shivaji was succeeding so well. They decided not to join Shivaji's struggle for Swaraj. Now, the Deshmukhs and the Deshpandes, they decided to support Shivaji in establishing Swaraj. But there were some people who were jealous of Shivaji's achievements. Now, students, in our life, there will be some people who will support us, and there will be some people who will feel jealous about our achievements. So, same way, there were some people like the Deshmukhs and the Deshpandes who were supporting Shivaji, and there were some people who were jealous of his success and his achievements. These people were Maratha Sardars, but they thought it would be better to work for Adil Shah than work for Shivaji. For many years, they had been servants of Adil Shah, and they thought that was the best thing to be. They did not even want an independent kingdom. They were happy the way they were. Now, these Maratha Sardars who were jealous of Shivaji were Khandoji and Baji Ghorpade. Khandoji and Baji Ghorpade were the two Maratha Sardars who were jealous of Shivaji's success and achievements. Now, these two Maratha Sardars were in the service of Adil Shah. They were serving the kingdom of Adil Shah. They were the servants of him. Now, since many years they were under Adil Shah, they did not want an independent kingdom. They were happy as they were. So, they were not supporting Shivaji. These Sardars would make trouble for Shivaji. He decided to teach them a lesson. Khandoji and Baji Ghorpades were two such Maratha Sardars. They worked for Adil Shah and did not want to join Shivaji. Adil Shah helped them make trouble for Shivaji. Now, as we saw that Khandoji and Baji Ghorpades were the two Maratha Sardars who were jealous of Shivaji. Now, Adil Shah was the one who helped these both Sardars to trouble Shivaji. Adil Shah gave them the ideas that how they could trouble Shivaji, in which all way he could trouble Shivaji, he did all that. So Shivaji decided to teach them a lesson. These two Sardars created a lot of trouble in the Kondana district. But Shivaji was a lot more powerful than these two Sardars. He easily defeated them and drove them out. Now, Khandoji and Baji Ghorpade created a lot of trouble in the district of Kondana. But Shivaji was powerful than them. He defeated them easily and he drove them out. You know that Shahaji was married to Jijabai, but Jijabai was not his only wife. Shahaji had 3 wives. One of his other wives was Tukau. Tukau's brother was Sambhajirao Mohite. He was Shivaji's step uncle. So he was Shivaji's relative. But he had no love for Shivaji. Now, in the previous chapter, we saw that Shahaji was married to Jijabai. But Jijabai was not his only wife. He had 3 other wives too. So one of them was Tukau, and Tukau's brother was Sambhajirao Mohite. So he was the step uncle of Shivaji Maharaj. He was near relative. Sambhajirao Mohite was in charge of Supe province. But as he did not like Shivaji, he had not joined Shivaji's quest for Swaraj. Sambhajirao was not a good ruler. He troubled his subjects. Shivaji did not like this at all. He decided to take Supe in his control. Shivaji made a clever plan. Now, Sambhaji was in charge of Supe province. Province means region or a territory. As he had no love for Shivaji, he started plotting against Shivaji. Sambhajirao Mohite troubled his subjects. Now, subjects here means people. So he used to trouble his people. He wasn't a good ruler as Shivaji. Shivaji did not like this. He got angry. So he decided to take control of the Supe region. One day, with just a few horsemen, Shivaji came to the entrance of Supe. At the gate, he told the guards that he had come to meet his uncle to collect his Diwali gift, as he did each year. The guards let him in, so the uncle had no idea that Shivaji was coming. Now, one day what happened? Shivaji made a clever plan, and one day, with a very few horsemen, Shivaji came to the entrance of Supe. Now, near the entrance, the guards were standing. He told the guards that he had come to meet his uncle to collect his Diwali gift, as he always did each year. The guards believed what Shivaji said and let him come in. Now, his uncle Sambhaji had no idea that Shivaji was coming. Shivaji quickly went inside and the Mavlas held Sambhajirao Mohite. Shivaji told him to hand over Supe to him. The uncle refused. Immediately, Shivaji ordered his Mavlas to arrest his uncle, and Shivaji took over everything. Now Shivaji and the Mavlas, they quickly went inside and took hold of Sambhajirao. Shivaji told him to hand over Supe to him, but Sambhajirao Mohite, he refused it. So immediately Shivaji ordered his Mavlas to arrest his uncle and he took over everything. In this way, Supe became a part of Swaraj. Shivaji sent Sambhaji Rao to Shahaji in Karnataka. Another family of Maratha Sardars who did not want to join Shivaji was the Naik Nimbalkars of Fulton. Now, this was the way how Supe became a part of Swaraj. And what Shivaji did, he sent his uncle Sambhaji Rao to his father Shahaji's place, that is in Karnataka. Now, even the Nayak Nimbalkars of Fulton, these family also did not wanted to join Shivaji. They were also against of Shivaji Maharaj. Saibai's brother was Bajaji Naik Nimbalkar. So Bajaji Naik Nimbalkar was actually Shivaji's brother-in-law. But he chose not to join Shivaji. He preferred to remain a servant of Adil Shah. Now you all know that Saibai was Shivaji's wife and Saibai's brother was Bajaji Naik Nimbalkar. So he was Shivaji's own brother-in-law. He also did not wanted to join Shivaji. He preferred to remain a servant of Adil Shah. In fact, Bajaji even joined hands with Adil Shah and started making plans to attack Shivaji. When Shivaji came to know of this, he immediately attacked Bajaji and imprisoned him. Now Bajaji, he started making plans with Adil Shah to attack Shivaji. Shivaji had to fight many battles against him. He attacked Bajaji and imprisoned him, means he kept him in prison. Shivaji made no special favors for relatives. For him, the most important thing was Swaraj and good administration. Nothing else was more important than these things. Now, with Shivaji, duty came first and relatives afterwards. Later on, members of the Nimbalkar family stood by Shivaji. They started supporting Shivaji in establishing Swaraj. For Shivaji, Swaraj came first and nothing else was more important.